In this tutorial, I will show you how to make halftone text effect in Photoshop. Let's start. First, select the Type tool and type in whatever you want. Adjust the position in the center. Select Text Layer. Right-click and open Blending Options. Choose Gradient Overlay and copy these settings. Select both layers, right-click, and convert the smart object. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and choose Field Blur. Follow this process. Go to Filter, Pixelate, and choose Color Halftone. Pixel radius is 14 and set the channels to 0. Go to Select and Color Range, hit White Area, press OK. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert it. Press Ctrl plus J to copy. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Select Black Color. Select Layer, right-click and open Blending Options. Choose Gradient Overlay. Copy this gradient or customize your own. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support.